Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best dog splash pad currently on the market. If you're looking for a fun way to keep your furry friends cool this summer, the All for Paws 39-inch anti-slip splash pad might just be what you need. Let's start with why this splash pad stands out. It's designed with durability and safety in mind, featuring a 0.58mm thickened material that can withstand even the most playful dogs. The anti-slip surface ensures your pets can enjoy themselves without any slips or slides. Setting up this splash pad is a breeze. It connects easily to any standard 1/2-inch garden hose, allowing you to adjust the water pressure and spray height effortlessly. Whether you have a small backyard or a spacious lawn, this pad adapts to your space. Now, let's talk about performance. The All for Paws pad isn't just for dogs. It's great for all pets, big and small. You can control the water direction by adjusting the hose, providing a refreshing playtime for your pets on hot days. Another highlight is its portability. Made from durable materials, this splash pad is foldable and easy to store. It's perfect for taking along on vacations or trips to the park, ensuring your pets always have a cool spot to relax. I've compared this pad with others, and its 0.58mm thickness really sets it apart. Many similar products on the market don't offer this level of durability. Plus, its non-slip design gives me peace of mind when my pets are playing. To wrap it up, the All for Paws 39-inch dog splash pad is definitely a top contender in the market for pet-friendly water toys. With its durability, easy setup, and adjustable features, it's a fantastic choice for keeping your pets cool and entertained during the summer months. If you're interested in checking out this splash pad, I've left a link in the description below where you can find more details and make a purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.